steps not going to do anything. It's on here. First day of supposed lockdown. The Boris Johnson was on the news last night. We're out for the first time today only because we've got to take our post, the items we sold, to the post office. So it'll just be a case of there and back. We probably need some milk up. I think we've got enough to do till tomorrow, so we'll leave that till tomorrow. Roads seem to be a little bit quieter, but not exceptionally over the last couple of days. They have been quieter. Time.
Yeah, so I've been in the post office. Signs all over the place. There are only 3 people allowed in at one time. Get in there. Well, I went to walk in and there was 3 people in the queue and one person being served. So I stayed on the outside. Another 2 people come behind. Waited for a minute. Obviously, 2 people come out before I went in, and then the 2 people who were behind me come walking in behind me.
Signs everywhere.
There's signs everywhere. Only 3 people allowed in the queue, and they've put the, what are they called, like barrier things up in there with signs on to say where to stand, so that the 3 people in the line are 6 feet apart from each other. And the 2 people behind me just walked in and just done what they liked. And the people behind the counter are saying, the sign's up, there's only 3 people allowed in the queue.
So what, 5, 6 people
in
at one time?
Yeah.
Ignoring the signs?
It's only quite a small base as well, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Just ignoring it. It's just, what's wrong with people?
They're never gonna learn. Some people you can't teach nothing.
Maybe they can't read or count.
Maybe. Anyway, as long as you keep safe.
Anyway, I'm going to wash my hands now. I've disinfected my gloves and my post book thing. I'm going to wash my hands and then I'm going to make bread.
Lovely.
Woohoo! Okay, so it is
What is it you're doing?
making bread. I'm using Sainsburys Taste the Difference whole grain seeded bread flour, which we have been using since when? About last August, July, August.
We didn't start off with that, did we, at first?
I think we did.
I would have said September myself.
Okay, well anyway, round about the end of the summer then.
Yeah.
I've been using this bread.
Making your own bread.
Yeah. Just me and Colin, because George won't eat it because he's fussy, and it's really nice. Comes out really good. Fingers crossed. I've never had a fail.
Until today. I'm only kidding.
No, don't say that.
Oh.
I've lost 15.5 pounds since then in weight, and Colin has lost about just short of 2 stone.
Yeah, well, between 1.5 and 2 stone. I'm not sure exactly. I haven't been on the scales lately.
So the swap in the breads has been a good help for us because
it's been basically low carb.
Low carb, yeah.
Diet, in the sense of, if you look at on items, it'll say how many carbohydrates, but it'll also say how rich is sugars. So if we keep the sugars really low on that.
That's what we've been doing. So
we haven't been hungry or nothing. All
you need is, you get 2 loaves out of this one bag. So you need this, 50 grams of unsalted butter, 3 teaspoons of salt, normal salt, and 5 grams of fast action dried yeast, and 600 ml of boiling water, hot water, lukewarm water, which I haven't done that yet.
Looking good, girl. Nice when this bread comes out warm. She always pinches the crusts though.
Cooks prerogative to do that. That's why.
She gives me some. She makes sure to take a good bite out of it first.
Spot on, 50 grams. I'm getting good at this. Without the glasses as well. There you go. Help it.
Okay.
Only doing half the packets, obviously you would only need one of them, not the 2. Really.
Salt.
3 salt. Teaspoons.
3 teaspoons.
Teaspoons, yeah. 1. 2. First one on is just like that kind of gives the effect of
mix and paddle.
It's for like breadcrumbs. If you were making breadcrumbs, it has that kind of effect. So it breaks the. I'm going to put the butter in a minute. Breaks the butter down in that same way. Okay, that's mixed enough, so I'm going to swap these over, put the water in, and put the bread hook on. In fact, put that on first.
How much water is that going in?
600 ml.
600 ml.
You can do it all in one go, but I feel like it gets it mixed better just doing it in stages. See, it's still quite dry there. Now, this has to mix for 10 minutes now on a quicker speed. In the meantime, the oven has to go on and the door has to be shut to warm the room. And then the dishes that they're going to prove in have to be oiled. I'm putting some oil.
My super cook.
Super. Okay, so that's done. As you can see, it's a lot stickier now. Floury surface. And if my mum's watching this, I know I shouldn't have my nail varnish on. I am not a cook. I am a home cook. I'm allowed to have nail varnish on. We're used to eating nail varnish. Are we? We are now. This. Okay, just give it a quick knead and then split it into two.
Two even sizes?
Two. Well, not really, because I haven't got two same size bowls. So, yeah, I know, but for now, it doesn't really. You can put it, because I used to have two small, one big tin and one small tin.
Yeah, well, if you've got two the same size bowls,
then,
you do two
then
even
you can
sizes.
do even sizes. They're quite even, that really aren't they? They're not bad. And they come out more or less the same when once they've been left to prove. Okay, so 1, 2, just turn it, yeah, cling film or plastic wrap, whatever you want to call it, or cover it.
Pre-oiled plastic wrap.
Yeah. And cover it. And then just leave it to sit for what? I normally do about 50 minutes.
Yeah, just till
Till they rise. Yeah.
Well risen.
Yeah. There you go. What's that? 50 minutes? 50 minutes later.
Like clouds.
Like billowing clouds. So, push them back down. Knead them out again. And then they go in the loaf tins. Excuse me. Cover it with your oily cling film. you leave it again for 30 minutes this time. Make sure the room stays nice and warm. No heat loss from the room.
It's been a fine job there, love.
Oh, thanks. Okay, time to go in.
Nice and fluffed up.
Mm-hmm.
That's my one. And that's my one.
Okay, and then put 200 on it for 30 minutes. So see you in 30.
Oh, and as if by magic, look at that. Beautiful.
Special. Ow.
Beautiful loaf.
That's the sound you need to hear. Hollow, like it's hollow. Yow, yow.
I think that's dense, not hollow sound.
What is it then?
More of a dense sound.
Dense then? Yeah. Okay.
Hollow.
But that's the sound that you have to hear.
It sounds quite empty, but
So, yeah, it's like that.
that's it.
That's like a hollow
full and
sound.
beautiful.
There. That looks like my kind
Thank you,
of
love.
crust.
I'm going to do something for you.
No, they're mine. Oh, what's all that?
Ah, that's not. That's
You can
part
have
of your crust.
You can have that crust then.
Okay. Do me.
Scabby dog crust.